Here at LAPMG, we believe that one size fits all fits none. We cater our service to the specific needs of each individual property, and managing high-end homes comes with its own unique set of demands. So let's explore some of the ways we give luxury properties the star treatment. We do our homework. With certain estates, there are no tenants. For these second homes, we're keeping the properties in top shape year-round for discerning owners who might drop by with just a moment's notice. We do our homework and learn what will exceed the client's expectations. For some, this means having a Range Rover parked in the driveway for them when they arrive. For others, it's a vase of fresh-cut flowers in view as they open the door, so their luxury property feels like home the second they enter. We go above and beyond. We know that many high-end owners see their properties not only as investments, but as rewards and symbols of their hard work. When it comes to maintaining stunning homes, we take it upon ourselves to not only satisfy the client, but to impress them. In luxury property management, those who go above and beyond are the ones who succeed in the long term. We specialize in luxury management. If you're a high-end property owner, we know you only want to entrust your trophy property to someone who knows exactly how to care for this type of asset. Someone you can trust. You wouldn't take your Ferrari to a discount oil change service. You'd take it to a specialist. That's LAPMG. With our own in-house maintenance staff at your disposal 24/7, we have all the necessary resources to oversee any minor or major renovations you might have in mind. We'll deliver individualized, dedicated concierge-level service appropriate for the caliber of your unique property. These practices and principles have helped us earn the trust of owners across generations. Call us today to learn more. And remember, excellent property management doesn't cost, it pays.